Yeah, my people, no time to shed time. This one now another new program where we say it shell, it makes sense, it gets swag. Now be Ororo News with MC Kampala. Everything where they use for this life, if you want flesh, you must put Ororo. And when Ororo dey, the thing will get flavor. MC Kampala with Ororo, we hear the Ororo. Before you chop rice, you must use Ororo to fry your stew. Because now they tell say everywhere stew. Still on Ororo News with MC Kampala, the Oburuburu one of comedy. The man where Erosho carry come Europe. The man where be say he escape winch, even Jesus say you go play for that match. You know say you not get the way you take watch horror film, they not go fit kill you for that film because they your palo, you dey watch the film. You not get you take run. You not go fit cast spirit. Still yet everywhere na part 1 part 2. You know say this life na owoko. Now make everybody say na owoko. Me na come tell you say make we reach there. Still on Ororo News program, everything shele. We talk about government, we talk about entertainment, we talk about business, we talk about anything advert. I did here with Ororo News with MC Kampala. Now I dey bring another new artist, the first artist where they inside this program where we say the guy makes sense even when I think about him as I go carry and come from inside Ororo News with MC Kampala. Who be that man where get swag? Now be Mark Edo. What did they do? He said he want organize album launching. Where you want for doing? Now inside Europe for Spain for Bilbao City. What's the way? He said now the 28th. Oh, where? Which month? He said now on September 2019. This guy is good, tight, get lyrics, get swag. Right now, he don't bring new video where we say the video. The guy will produce and I be Boss A5. Boss A5 TV. It dey everywhere. You understand? So now he produce this video. Waiting, Makedo, you too much. When I hear this music, the thing they sweet me for body. Even the Ororo program, it can't get level. Who day? That day on the 28th of September for Discoteca de Camaga for Bilbao. Now they happen. The time now 4 p.m. People where they come that very day to spice up that occasion. Be Boss A5 or Deki, MC Best Ogumo, Mark Edo. He go come there. He say na DJ Eric. Oi, DJ Eric the Wheel of Steel. He go come there. Now be Don Osamui. Na boss. He's a boss. He go there all the way from Victoria. Hey, that man get level. We can't get Lyrica. He go there to Lyrica every day. I personally, MC Kampala, the Oburuburu one of comedy, the Owoko. Hallelujah. The man will be say he drink Ororo, he shit Ororo. Na me. Everything cool and nice. So OS the Wiser Master, he go there. That guy fresh, he sweet, he tight, he music legit. He go there to give you the wiser things, wiser music, wiser groove, wiser everything. So he go there. We have a CJ Limbs, anything where they call him mad limbs, he waist limbs, he music limbs. He go there to limbs up that very day. Shaky Night album launch for Bilbao, all of now. Make una wake up, Bini, Urobo, Shakiri, Calabar, anywhere you come, Igbo, Hausa, make una wake up, make una come dance for this guy music that very day. Then they see 10 euro, then they see 5 euro. Come support your brother because they say na corporation, now make rice, now get level, now make we come bring Ororo for that launch that very day. Without Ororo, you not go see stew. Drink everything there. You know they pay 1 naira enter. It's that very day on the 28th September, the time now 4 p.m. Baga, no Africa time. So wear your cocoa shoe, iron your clothes. Come shaky night with Makedo. That very day na Kampala says. The guy don't do so many songs where we say he done the shele for the world. So right now you don't bring shaky video produced by Boss A5. If you think say na lie they talk, oh yeah, vamos. Check it, block, make him. See this video, makes sense. Shaky shake it, they shake everywhere, the soundtrack, everything makes sense. All your time not there to check time, make I leave now. The man behind this camera, and be Boss A5 Odeki. He's a producer, he's a musical icon, he's a comedian. The guy is too much. He's too much. He don't empower so many Nigeria youth for Europe side. Still, go and subscribe on Boss A5 TV. Follow her for Boss A5 TV for YouTube. You go get her. Just click Boss A5 TV. You go see Ororo News with MC Kampala. You go still follow me direct for Ororo News with MC Kampala for my Facebook page. You go get her. All the information is there. Una bye bye, una do. Please make una share this video. And now you their father. Till we meet again.